Hi guys, Kling 3.0 is now released on Higgsfield and you can now have early access to it exclusive on Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield has released Kling 3.0 as I have told you in the earlier video that it will be released on Wednesday, and on Wednesday night it was released. I am somewhat late in creating this video, but let's have a look of what Kling 3.0 is offering us to. I will leave all the links in the description below. You can check that out. So if I scroll downwards here, you can see this, the first shot is just cinematic enough to say what Kling 3 is going to offer. If I scroll downwards here, you can see we have a Kling 3.0 model unifying world-class 4K visuals. So you can see now we have enhanced audio generations. We now have multi-shot narratives. We have native 4K cinematic workflow for text rendering in 4K. And then we have directorial physics. So this was the most excited I was about, was the rain physics, the simulation physics of smoke, fire, water. So they've all been improved now. And you can see we now have up to 15 seconds in Kling 3.0, and you can directly do the lip sync in Kling only. You can see we have the extended context window as well. I'm going to show you how that works as well. And there are lots of more features which are going to be rolled by next week. But let me show you what users have created with Kling 3.0 exclusively, so you can get the idea of it. So let me just play a video for you guys which is created in Kling 3.0. So the first video that I'm playing is going to shock you because the expressions, the dialogue delivery, all are top notch really. So let me just play and let's just watch it here. So you can see this is looking really good. You can see the droplets of the eyes basically flying as well. And here is the multi-shot feature that I'm excited about. You can see this as well. You can hear the sound of the road. You can hear the tires that are hitting the road. There are lots of stuff that are going on. Music by Oscar. Then you can see the POV shots, the macro shots that Kling is doing another great thing in 3.0. So let me just play it for you again. Then this is another macro shot. You can see the ice here, which is working really good, and you can see the physics also. So this is what I was talking about and really excited about. And you can see one more result here as well. So this is what Kling 3.0 is now capable of. You can see the details and all that stuff in the reflections as well. So now let me show you how you can access Kling 3.0. So if you are using Higgsfield, just log in with your account and then you will see an offer that is currently going on, and they are going to give you a 7 days free Kling access and you can use it for unlimited. You guys don't believe? Let me show you. So if I click here on Kling 3.0, you can see here we have two plans that is currently offering this thing. I am right now on ultimate monthly plan, but you can see we also have a creator annual plan as well, which is going on discount right now only for $75 here. And you can see if I scroll downwards here, you can get a Kling 3.0 exclusive, no access to exclusive mode, but you can definitely get unlimited Kling 3 exclusive here. So let me just scroll downward. So there are two plans which I will offer you is the creator annual because that's a really good plan. Again, if I scroll downwards here, if you register with the ultimate plan, you are going to get 6 days Kling 3.0, 3.0 Omni for free, unlimited. So that's a really good deal. And if you want to use it right now, you just upgrade to your creator plan and you can use it right now just after this video. So that's also a really good thing that you can work on. And yeah, other models are also given free here. So that is here how you can access Kling 3.0, because right now only Higgsfield is providing Kling 3.0. Rest all the other platforms are going to provide that as well, but maybe by next week or after that. So let's see. Now, let me show you the workflow that I am going to use to create basically videos in Kling 3.0. So, let's say you are new to Kling 3.0 and you don't know how you can prompt basically in Kling 3.0. So, don't worry about this. I have also a link in the description and in the pinned comment as well. You can find that as well in my description. So here is a guide to the next era of AI video generation. Just click on that link and you will find here how you can actually prompt your image to video model here. So you can see how you can do a start and end frame control, what exactly to write, how you can use this. So by copying and pasting it in your chat GPT, you can create your own custom GPT for Kling 2.6. How physics are driven, so what you need to write, and the videos that I shown were created in Higgsfield only. You saw this videos as well. So this is how you need to do the step-by-step workflow, how you can generate the videos, and all the use cases are given here. So that's a really good thing. Now let me start with how you can actually use Kling 3.0. Now there are two methods to use Kling 3.0. Let me show you both the methods. So first, what's the method here? Let's say if you have created any image here and you want your image to convert to video, you can directly do it from image tab as well. So let's say I want this video to be converted to this image to be converted to video. What I can do, I can just click here and I can click on animate and it will take me to the video tab directly. Or what you can do, you can just go to the video tab here. So let's say you are in Explore and you need to go to video tab, and here you will find Kling 3.0, which is exclusive again. So let's just click on this, and now you can see now your image model, video model is changed to Kling 3.0, which is a really good thing. And yeah, now Kling 3.0 supports start frame and end frame. So if you are using Kling 2.6, you know that you don't get start frame and end frame, but in 2.5 it was there. So again in Kling 3.0 they have introduced the start frame and the end frame, so that's a really good thing. So let's say if you want to have a start frame and end frame, you can do that as well. So it's really easy to do. So let me just show you the most easy method, which is just going to images. Just click on the image and click on animate, or you can directly do it from there. Now you need to change the model, because right now you can see we are having Kling 2.6. So it's really easy. Just click on Kling 2.6 here, and here you will find Kling 3.0, which is exclusive. Again, you can see here. Now we also have Grok Imagine as well. So that's a really good thing. But let's just click on Kling 3.0. And if you scroll downwards here as well, you can go to here Kling, and you can see we have the Omni Edit, Omni, and Kling 3.0. I'm also going to create more videos of comparison as well in the next week by comparing 2.6 and 3, and I'm going to create an exclusive guide as well on how to exactly prompt in Kling 3.0 from image generation to video generation as well. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel as well. So now here, once your image is loaded, you need to describe whether your image is for a multi-shot or it's basically a single video. So what happens when you click on multi-shot? You can create several shots and combine them into one video, max 15 seconds total. So you can create a 15-second video like combining 3 to 4 shots. So you can definitely do it. So if I turn this on, you need to describe here that what your shot will look like. Shot 1, shot 2, shot 3. Okay, and then you can directly generate it out. Or else what you can do, you can just have a single image and just describe what you want. So let's say I want to tell Kling here, the woman in the frame is drinking coffee in the coffee house. So we will get that ambience noise as well. So this is how you should do the prompting. That's really easy. And after taking a sip of coffee, she is saying, so let's say she is talking to someone. Where is Sam? Let's call him in, let's say which accent you want. So let's say I want a British English accent. So what this will do, this will have a dialogue. So she is saying, so that's what I'm telling. Where is Sam? So what you can do, you can do a double quotation here as well. And now what you can do, if you want the ambient sound, which I definitely want, so that's why I have hinted that we are in the coffee house and she is drinking coffee, so we can have that sound as well. So this sound is turned on, so make sure that you turn on the sound. And then there is a element. So what element is, so basically you can combine 3 to 4 images and create a one new object or a character out of it, which you can see here. So you can definitely try that out as well. I'm going to create each and everything about Kling 3.0 by next week, so you can learn Kling 3.0 from basic to professional level. So don't worry about this. Right now in this video, our focus is how you can access Kling 3.0 and how you can use it. So now the model comes. So model is Kling 3.0 and here is the duration. So you can see we can have a 5 second, 6 seconds, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So as soon as you enter this domain, you can see there are longer wait times, but because it's in early access, don't worry, your video will be rendered pretty soon. Don't worry about that. But next week, let it come and then you can definitely use the server full power and you can go unlimited mode on and you can create some really good advertisements, cinematics, AI short films, and maybe trailers, teasers, lots of things. So you can definitely decide it here, or you can just scroll it here how much you want. So let's say if you want 10 seconds, you can do it here. And then comes the quality part. So what about resolution? You want a 720 resolution or you want a 1080 resolution? So if I click on 1080, the credits are increased somewhat, but don't worry, because if you are on a creator plan, you get like 6,000 credits per month, which is a really good thing again. So you can create lots of videos, and don't forget that we have a 6 days unlimited for Kling. As soon as you grab it from today after this video, you can definitely use that, and the link again will be in the description. You can check that out and I will also pin the comment. And once this all is done, you just need to click on generate and it will generate your video. So this is how you can use Kling 3.0 exclusively in Higgsfield. So if you don't want to wait for official release and you want to use it in your cinematic projects, or you are having a project of a client that needs certain physics and lip syncs and all that thing, you can definitely check this out. So if you like this video, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and share it with your friends who wants to learn AI. I will see you next time with some really amazing updates of Kling 3.0 and the practical use of it.